Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox memory dump error on Windows 11. First, we will disable memory integrity. Click on the search bar and type Windows Security, then open it. Go to Device Security, then click on Core Isolation Details. You will see an option called Memory Integrity. Turn this off. After that, restart your computer so the change can take effect. Next, we will adjust compatibility settings for Roblox. Find the Roblox player icon on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Enable the option that says Run this program in compatibility mode, then choose Windows 8 from the list. Also, enable running this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Click Apply and then OK. Now, we will clear the Roblox cache. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Type %localappdata% and press Enter. This will open a folder. Find the Roblox folder and delete it. This removes old or corrupted files that can cause errors. After doing all these steps, restart your computer and launch Roblox. The memory dump error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.